So what did we do to make our holidays more ADHD friendly, more family friendly, to make them work for our family and be a blessing and a great memory instead of misery? First thing we did was ask questions and listen to the answers. I talked about that in my previous video. But the second thing we did is we started thinking about, well, what things matter to us? What things are the most important? Now, I do not love cooking. I love food. I love to eat. I do not love making it. So realistically, if I'm going to have a great holiday, I don't want to spend the whole day cooking. And for years, I was involved in the cooking process, or I was pregnant or nursing a baby. So all I did was help cook my part and take care of kids. Thanksgiving, Easter, Christmas, all of them. That wasn't relaxing for me. And then I came to find out my kids weren't even enjoying it. So we nixed that plan. We talked about what do we want to eat. We came up with fondue. Comes in a package at most grocery stores this time of year. Just cut up some bread, warm that thing up. And for dessert, we nixed pumpkin pie. None of us liked it. And all the fancy baked desserts. And we went with the chocolate fountain. And you know what? Chocolate fountain's really easy. You just melt a bunch of chocolate chips with a little oil, stick it in there, cut up your fruit, or buy the fruit cut up at the grocery store even. Like, it's that simple. And some cookies for dipping and pretzel rods and stuff. But like, easiest cooking ever, other than takeout. My kids love it. Cleanup is like one pot, and okay, the fountain's a little of a bit of a pain to clean up, but that's the only thing. I'm not washing china. I get paper plates with cute Christmas or Thanksgiving prints on them. And we can schedule it whatever time of day we feel like. The holidays at our house, because if my kids get overwhelmed and need to hide, I say hide, but you know what I mean. They need some quiet time by themselves away from people. They have their bedrooms. It's at my house because if I need a nap, I can put on a movie so my kids can be entertained for a bit, and I can take a nap in my own bed, which is a high priority for me. So we had to really rethink what mattered to us about our holidays. And then we had to plan things that would allow us to make happy memories. The first year we changed everything, we decided to go out of town for Thanksgiving to really change our brains around what our thoughts of the holiday were supposed to be. And you know what? That was a really good decision, because if you're in the same place, but you've done everything for a long time, and you're not doing the same things, it can really generate a lot of feelings of sadness and loneliness. And those will still be there when you go somewhere else, but it's not going to be the same. It's going to be a little bit different because your brain doesn't have as many physical reminders. So that's what we do now for holidays. We have simple, easy holiday. Nothing is really scheduled. We make breakfast when we feel like it. We do our cheese fondue when everybody's kind of hungry. And then we do dessert an hour or two before bedtime so that, you know, we have time to clean it up and put everybody to bed. But sometimes we're eating at like noon, desserts at 3, and we have light snacks for dinner. Do what works for you, folks.